Hi, I'm Jim Sobere, president of Brinks, Gilson & Leone, one of the largest law firms in the U.S. that focuses on intellectual property. At Brinks, we not only help our clients solve their immediate IP issues, we like to work together with them to think forward about long-term IP strategies that are aligned with their business goals. Let me give you a recent example. A few years ago, a small medical device company came to us. They had just been sued by a large competitor for patent infringement and were facing the risk of a preliminary injunction that would stop the launch of an important product line. We put together a team of very experienced IP trial lawyers who went to court, convinced a judge not to grant the preliminary injunction, and we ultimately prevailed on the merits of that case. Now, that's not the end of the story. It's just the beginning. We sat down with the client and analyzed where they were in the market. Together, we were thinking forward about long-term strategies so they could build an IP portfolio that would put them not only on the same plane as their competitors, but to put them ahead, to give them an edge with their intellectual property portfolio. We took them from filing 10 patent applications a year to over 200 patent applications a year in a very short period of time. In order to acquire that much IP, you not only have to harvest the ideas of your own inventors and engineers, we work with them to identify universities and other researchers and consultants around the world where they could acquire the IP through various types of contracts and license agreements. We help them with freedom to operate opinions. We got them to the point where they had a strong enough patent portfolio, they could assert their patents against their competitors. Of course, as their IP grew, so did the costs and their budgetary demands. We worked with the client to develop an alternate fee arrangement based on fixed fees that provided them with budget predictability, which was very important to them. Today at Brinks, we see ourselves as long-term partners with our clients. We welcome the opportunity to work with clients to solve immediate IP needs, and we also welcome the opportunity to work with them to think forward about long-term strategies to build and maintain their IP portfolios. With a deep roster of attorneys who have experience in every field of technology, in every field of science, every aspect of intellectual property law, Brinks is one of the few firms in the U.S. that has the resources that are required to build, manage, enforce, and defend a large portfolio of IP rights. If you're currently a client of Brinks, we thank you. If you're looking for IP counsel, we hope that you will consider Brinks, Gilson & Leone.